Hello, and welcome to Maria's Craft Studio. In the previous video, I sketched this illustration. If you haven't seen this, be sure to check it out. In this video I will draw a clean sketch and color the illustration. Let's get started. So, I'm starting to draw a clean sketch. I draw straight lines on top of the old sketch. And that's what I got. Then I create a new layer and place it underneath the clean sketch. I choose brush number 4 from watercolor set. I choose gray color and fill this area. Then I add some shadow. And blend it. Then I choose light gray. For this area I choose a very dark color. And I add several layers to make the color more saturated. Then I choose gray color. Don't forget to add shadows and blend them. I choose black color for the lines on the tail. I add highlights to the eyes and nose. I decided to add some more black to the area near the eyes. I add pink color to the cheeks. Then I erase the outline. And I add a light outline that is barely visible. Now I add highlights. Now I choose this color and draw the background. After that I erase the excess. Then I decided to add an even more saturated outline. Illustration is ready. Thanks for watching this video. I will be very pleased if you leave your comment and like under this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel.